The American lawyer Bruce Fein, who was prevented from seeing Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, by the Department of State Services (DSS), has set to sue this issue to the International Court of Justice. Welcome to this YouTube channel. Biafra latest update. In this channel, we do all breaking news about Biafra, IPOB, and its leader, Nnamdi Kanu. Please do watch this video till the end and don't forget to support. So guys, as you all know, Nnamdi Kanu, lead counsel Ifeanyi Ejiofor, together with attorney Bruce Fein, were prevented from seeing him on Monday with the excuse of that the officer who was assigned to receive them was sent on a special assignment. This was against the visit routine, despite the fact that they had all what it took from the court to visit their client. Yet the DSS twisted the matter to their favor. They went again on Thursday, being that the routine visits to Nnamdi Kanu are every Mondays and Thursday, yet they were still refused or prevented access to their client Nnamdi Kanu. On this note, attorney Bruce Fein decided to take this matter internationally, as he is the international lawyer and spokesman of Nnamdi Kanu. He said he is to pursue this case to see that justice is served with the fundamental laws and norms respected, since that of Nnamdi Kanu has been violated in several occasions by the DSS. He said he is to visit all the necessary courts, as he says is to visit the International Court of Justice, International Crime Court, and all against human rights violation, which is the genocide of what the DSS has done. He also said he's going to take it to the United States, since Nigeria is a point of interest to them, considering the facts that there is a freedom of religion, that is Christianity, and Biafrans are part of these Christians. So he is going to make sure that the DSS pay for every human right they have fought against for Nnamdi Kanu. He said it is only but normal that the fundamental human right of his client be respected. The court order and routine visit of his clients as well be respected. So I don't know what you think about this video. Please do write your comments on the comment section. In this video, all opinions do count. Do write your comments. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you've not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please do well to click on the red subscribe button, turn on your post notification, so that whenever I upload a video, you'll be amongst the first to be notified. I will see you on my next video. As of now, I'm out. One love, freedom.